Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by opening your design in Canva and selecting the correct file type. Go to File and enable Rulers and Guides to view inches and pixels. Click Resize or Custom Dimensions and enter values like 1920x 1080px or 13x 9 inches. Choose Page Setup to ensure orientation is correct and margins are visible. Pick a blank canvas or a grid template before adding elements to preserve alignment and proportions. Open Elements and search for Grid to insert a grid layout into your canvas. Pick a grid that matches your desired column count and cell arrangement for predictable spacing. Use layout options to set 3 columns and change gutter spacing to 10px for consistent margins. Drag the grid handles to resize cells and hold Shift to maintain proportional scaling during adjustment. Snap your content to the guides and align items using the arrow keys for precise placement. When your design matches the grid, lock the grid layer to prevent accidental movement. Group related elements together so you can move sections while preserving alignment. Export the finished file as PNG or PDF and choose 300 dpi for print or 72 dpi for web use. Use Canva Resize to create alternate sizes. Note that Resize may require a pro account. Save this layout as a template to reuse the exact grid, spacing, and dimensions for future projects.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.